He sees us. Oh, that turtle's cooked. I mean, not turtle, that frog. Let's see. Please bite it so I can pick you up. If you can bite it, I'll pick you up. Ah, these are scary, yo. I want to pick them up so bad. I just need you to bite the stick.
Go around back.
No, especially how my foot gets stuck in there. What if I'm gonna see if I can move his backside towards me. That's probably a better move. I am not going. My foot gets stuck in there. I'm cooked. Wait. If I can just move you. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Don't lose a finger, Jayden.
Wait, put the stick here. Oh, that was the big.
You fucking crazy, dude.
Oh! Wait. I'm gonna do it again. I just can't get my foot stuck. Hold up. Right here.